how you can go from being broke to being rich in Africa. I have 5 steps that you can follow. So if you're struggling to make ends meet, if you dream achieving financial success even in challenging environments, you are in the right place. So now follow these steps. Step number 1 is cut down your expense. Imagine your financial situation is like a boat with holes and you are trying to scoop out water with a tiny spoon. Every little bit of water you scoop out helps, and every cent you spend should either fix those holes or help you get ahead financially. First thing first, take a good look at your spending habits. Get out a pen and a paper or open a spreadsheet on your computer. Write down everything you spend money on, even the small stuff like coffee or utility bills. Then you need to think about whether each expense is helping you make money or just draining your wallet. Some expenses like investing in education or tools for your job can help you make more money in the future, but others like eating out too much or buying things you don't really need is just wasting your money. Before you buy anything, ask yourself if it is going to help you reach your long-term goals. If not, maybe you should hold off. Remember, every cent you save can help you out later. So on this step, getting your finances in order starts with closely looking at where your money is going. By figuring out which expenses are helping you and which ones aren't, you can make big changes for the better. Your financial decision today shape your tomorrow, so make them count. Get smart about your money, choose what is important, and watch as your journey to financial success takes off. Step number 2 is shift from the employee mindset. The way many of us think about work is deeply rooted in our society. We are taught from a young age to find a stable job, work set hours, and depend on others for financial security. While this can give us stability, it often stops us from building real wealth. To break out from this cycle, we need to change the way we think. First, know that your potential to earn isn't limited to a regular job. When you start your own business, there is no cap on what you can achieve. Believe in yourself and your ability to find your own path to success. Instead of just looking for a job, start looking for opportunities. See challenges as chances to grow, not barriers holding you back. So to change your mindset, surround yourself with entrepreneurial ideas. Read books, listen to podcasts, and go to seminars about starting businesses. Hang out with people who have an entrepreneurial spirit and learn from their experiences. Think positively, seeing opportunities everywhere and learning from setbacks. Also think about making money in different ways. Don't stick to your 9-to-5 job. Try freelancing, starting an online business, or investing. Instead of only trading your time for money, find ways to make money even when you are not working. With technology, you can reach people all over the world. So don't be afraid to go against the norm and try new things. Remember, failing does not mean you have lost. It's just the part of journey to success. Embrace the unknown and see problems as chances to find new solutions. In summary of this step, changing how you think about work is key to financial gain. When you see things from an entrepreneurial perspective, you open yourself up to many possibilities beyond a regular job. True wealth isn't just about having a steady paycheck. It's about having the freedom to create, innovate, and thrive. Number 3, cut off lazy people from your life. That does not include your family members, okay? So let me explain. Your social circle can greatly impact your financial journey. Being around people who are driven, resilient, and eager for success can push you forward. But if you're surrounded by colleagues or friends who are complacent, negative, or unmotivated, it can hold you back and drain your energy. In this step of your journey from being financially struggling to being wealthy is to take a good look at your friends and acquaintances. Identify those who aren't motivated or who don't seem interested in improving their lives. These people might have negative beliefs, self-sabotage, or just accept mediocrity. Even though it might be hard, it is important to distance yourself from these negative influences. Negative energy can rub off on you and stop you from growing or reaching your goals. Instead, be around people who inspire you or push you to do better. Find mentors, coaches, or new friends who share your ambitions and want to help you succeed. And it is also important to value your time and energy. So don't spend time with people who are not motivated and will waste your time. Spend them on relationships that make you feel good and help you move forward. Look for successful people to be around. They can teach you a lot and motivate you. Find role models who have faced challenges and still achieved success. Learn from them and follow their strategies. Your social circle says a lot lot about you and your potential. By getting rid of negative influences and being around people who want to grow and succeed can create an environment where success thrives. So for the summary of this step, building a successful social cycle is crucial on the journey from financial struggle to wealth, especially in Africa. Surround yourself with motivated, ambitious people that can help you grow and achieve more. The fourth step is start investing now. Invest your money regardless of how little you possess. This can be a game changer, particularly in any country where financial stability is difficult to attain. It is commonly believed that investing is exclusive to the affluent. However, the fact is that anyone can engage in it, even if only a small amount is available. Investing involves having your money to put the work for you, rather than allowing it to remain idle in a bank. Even modest investment in stocks, bonds, or real estate can experience significant growth over time thanks to compound interest. Consider the power of consistency in investing. Even small but regular contributions can accumulate over time and yield substantial results. By making investing a habit, you are setting yourself on a path towards financial security. Whether it is setting aside a portion of your monthly earnings or investing in spare change, every contribution counts. The key is to stay committed and trust in the long-term benefits of your investment. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. It is a small, consistent action that leads to significant outcomes. In summary, the key is to begin early and remain consistent. Every cent you invest brings you closer to financial freedom. By investing, you can break free from the cycle of poverty and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. So waiting for a large sum of money is unnecessary. Start small, however, be consistent with it. The last step is hustle hard. If you don't want to hustle and somehow want to get out of poverty, I'm sorry to break it for you, but you are not going to make it. In the journey from being broke to achieving financial freedom, it is crucial to stand out, basically hustle hard and work tirelessly. Success often comes to those who put in consistent effort and determination, regardless of the challenges they face. Whether it's starting a small online business while working their 9-to-5 jobs, or freelancing, or pursuing multiple other income streams, the key is to keep pushing forward. Every completed task and every hour invested brings you closer to your goals. Also, it's not just about working harder, it's also about working smarter. Finding innovative solutions, seizing opportunities, and constantly learning are all part of the hustle. Success doesn't happen overnight, it's a result of countless hours and dedication and commitment. So even when progress feels slow, keep pushing forward. And there you have it. Those are the 5 steps you need to follow on your journey from being broke to reaching financial prosperity in Africa. Remember, each step plays a crucial role in building a solid foundation for your financial future. By setting clear goals, managing your expenses, saving diligently, curating a supportive social circle, and hustling hard, you are well equipped to overcome obstacles and achieve your dreams. Stay committed and stay focused. If you found any value in this video, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends.